And again here by the corridor, I'm about to do some Sunday rail fanning. Or should I instead go on a wild goose chase? No, not at my age. It's there somewhere. We're about to get a northbound movement here by Perryville Station. I was going to say thanks for the horn show, but that guy there was too horn crazy. He blew it about a half a dozen times on the way up. And now on the Havre de Grace side of the Susquehanna. And apparently just in time. A toaster, one of those AEM jobs. It's a great day for some boating, but as I keep saying, avoid those 3-hour tours. Unless you've got 3 years, you're not doing anything. And up there in the middle of the bay, a barge of sorts. And some more fun about to show up. Once again by Aberdeen Station. They're supposed to have replaced it, or rather moved it across the way last year, but haven't done it yet. Moved it off the track. But we're about to get something coming up. I think I hear Q370 coming. Okay, Q370 lives. That's some more multifaceted images there for you. And there's your finale. It's southbound to Sella. I was supposed to stop, but it didn't. It was on time, but it didn't stop. I guess nobody wanted to detrain. So there you have it. A little bit of railfanning there for you. Just as last Sunday, back on a busy I-95. The fast lane right now is not that fast. So I'll stay in this one. Okay, until the next one. Back at you. Oh, here we go again. Almost totally stopped. Hey look, we're moving. Okay, I'll quit.